Hi, this is Joshua and you're now watching The Ideal Mobile. Today I'll be showing you with very useful tips for beginners, videographers, or maybe people who do video recording involve interview, and they always encounter this issue where the audios are very poor or maybe been interfered or damages by surrounding sound like from winds or from crowd. So today I'll be showing you an alternative wireless video recording that improve your audio quality maybe to 100%. So I'll be showing you right now. So the part that involved in this project is a spare phone. If you have a spare phone, you can use any phone that has a built-in microphone. I believe most smartphones have microphone. And if you have budget, you can go for a lav mic like this that will cost you like few ringgit to maybe 50 ringgit depending on brand. If you don't have lav mic, no worry, you still can use your smartphone video recording directly to your smartphone. It should have a voice recording apps where you can do the voice recording. And what's the advantage of doing so? Basically, this theory is something like voice over, where the recordings, everything get actually put into the smartphone, and you will match the audios together with the video that recorded right now. So I'll give you a good example. The audio that coming out directly from, the microphone that capture directly from the cameras. So for instance, at this distance, you hear my voice very clear with no issue. What happens if I go to here? Can you still hear me? How about I go into my car? You can't even hear me at all, right? Can you hear me now? No? Okay. So my tricks here is you use your smartphone and you launch the voice recorder. So what you need to do is you just need to plug in the lav mic 3.5mm audio and you hit the record button. So that's the trick here. Once you hit the record button, what you need to do is you put back the phone into your pockets, so you don't have to carry a smartphone around. You need to clap twice and do mic check. The reason is to create a waveform that we'll able to match later on. I'll be showing you the matching, how can the matching be done later on the video processing. So now if you hear my voice, should be very clear, am I right? So what if I move very far away? I believe you're still able to hear my voice because the audio now is recorded onto my smartphone instead to the the cameras that I'm using right now. So even I walk a very far distance away, you will still able to hear my voice clearly. And what if I went into my car? You will still able to hear my voice perfectly. So so this is the tricks on how you can do video recording with almost perfect audio and improve your video qualities with the audio improvement overall. So that's about it. I'll bring you to my computer rooms to show you how the video processing and how it works, so you can try this out. If you like this video, do consider subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off. So basically, this is how I edit the videos. It works on Premiere Pro, DaVinci, and even Windows Movie Maker. So what you need to do is you drag the videos and the audio file onto the project file. So I'll drag and drop the videos and also the audio. So remember the part where I do the clapping and mic check. So now I'll be searching back the part where I do the mic check, and the reason behind this is to create the same waveform where you can actually match the audio perfectly. So what I need to do is I'll mute the audio from the video, and be dragging the audio to the back. If you can enlarge the audio waveform, you will see. So this part is the clapping part, where if I enlarge the audio wave, you're able to see the clapping start from here. And now I need to go back to the audio file that I created earlier. So this is the clapping part. If you look close enough, you'll notice the waves are very identical. So what you need to do is you just need to match the audio. This way is a little bit manual. So now we try and see the audio whether it matches or not. Twice and do. You notice the audio now match. So you can actually from this part you can actually reduce the audio, the background audio from the microphone to much lower, maybe to 25. This in order to retain the more natural background audio. So now I have unmuted the video file, and I can twice and do mic check. The reason is to create a waveform that we'll able to match later on. I'll be showing you the matching, how can the matching be done later on the video processing.